Maya News, Supreme Master Ching Hai International Association news from Mexico. Thousands of residents were forced to take cover as Hurricane Dolly touched land on Wednesday. Fortunately, there were no lives lost on either side of the Mexican-U.S. border, despite the widespread winds and floods. In Mexico, a large number of people are in shelters, while hundreds of thousands may be without drinking water. On Thursday, Supreme Master Ching Hai sent a $10,000 donation to buy necessities for the victims. A few weeks earlier, the eastern part of Mexico was also affected by floods due to heavy rains. In response, Supreme Master Ching Hai had donated $50,000 on July 12th to bring emergency relief to the most affected areas. This brings the total contribution amount to $60,000 and is equivalent to $221,000 in goods if purchased in the United States based on the local cost of living in Mexico. As in similar cases, personal relief-related expenses were covered by our association members. With Supreme Master Ching Hai's timely contribution, our association's relief team was able to deliver much-needed supplies and convey her love to so many communities.
Porque desafortunadamente, esas personas, por su pobreza, se ubican en zonas, representan áreas de alto riesgo y las condiciones socioeconómicas también son extremas para muchas familias. Allí también la ayuda que manda la maestra Ching Hai a través de ustedes, pues va a caerles del cielo, definitivamente.
With Master's permission, we would like to share the following update from our association's relief team now in Mexico. This is the latest report that was presented to Supreme Master Ching Hai, who has frequently been asking about Mexico's situation.
July 24th, 2008. Most Compassionate Master, regarding the consequence of Hurricane Dolly in Mexico. After reaching the South Texas, USA coast on Wednesday with 95-mile-per-hour, 150-kilometer-per-hour winds, Hurricane Dolly moved inland and dropped up to 12 inches 30 centimeters of rain in the first few hours before it was downgraded to a tropical storm. Hurricane Dolly also affected the nearby Mexican state of Tamaulipas, mainly in the city of Matamoros, with over 100 suburbs in the low areas being evacuated. It also was felt in the cities of Vallehermoso, San Fernando, Soto La Marina, and Nuevo Laredo. 13,100 people have been accommodated in 21 shelters throughout 6 counties in Tamaulipas state, and all evacuees are safe due to the quick response of the Army. There are only material losses and no serious physical injuries reported. At this moment, we are arranging to visit the affected areas to see if there is any urgent need. We will also report on updated details to Master.
Regarding flood relief in Mexico, update. With Master's loving donations of $50,000 and her omnipresent blessings for the flood victims, our relief teams were able to carry out our work smoothly. We have worked in the 3 states of Veracruz, Chiapas, and Hidalgo. One group is now reaching the Sierra Madre of Puebla, one of the poorest forest areas of the country with very little communications access, while the other group will be heading to Zacatecas State. Our kindest Master, we sincerely thank you for your loving care. The relief funds will be used to benefit the flood victims in need. We will complete the flood relief work quickly and will provide detailed reports later. We thank Master for giving us this great opportunity to serve, and we are grateful that the victims will have a chance to receive Master's blessings. May all beings bathe in the glory and grace of God. Love from Association members in Mexico.
Thank you, Supreme Master Ching Hai, for the timely and loving assistance that has reached many families in need. We also send our thanks to our association members for their work and care. We pray that the people of Mexico recover fully in good time with God's grace.
Supreme Master Ching Hai wants to convey this message of gratitude to all governments, organizations, and relief workers from every corner of the world. Thank you, all the international help that brings care and necessities to afflicted victims. Thank you. all the relief workers for taking your time and forsaking your own comfort, even traveling great distance on unfavorable roads and conditions to bring love and assistance to people in time of need. May heaven bless you abundantly for your generosity and noble sacrifice.